Have you ever had a bad week? Maybe a bad day? Maybe just bad? Well, we all have tough times and we have all sorts of stresses that come in our lives. What I want you to take a moment and think about is that whenever you have a stress in your life, it could be a physical problem, a mental problem, an emotional problem, a financial, work-related problem, a relational problem. It could be any number of challenges or difficulties. Those are all stresses. But whenever you have those come in your life, you can respond one of two ways. You can respond by distress or by eustress. Now, those are radically different approaches. Distress is when you have the following characteristics. There's a sense of anxiety or concern. It could be short and long or long term. It's perceived as outside of our coping abilities. It feels unpleasant. It decreases performance. Distress is typically worry, fear, frustration, anger, bitterness, hurt, physical exhaustion, mental breakdown, and so on. We tend to think of stress as distress. Distress is simply the inappropriate response to stress. The other way you can respond to stress is by practicing eustress. It's actually a word. And it has the following characteristic. It motivates and focuses your energy. It's short term, is perceived as within our coping abilities. You feel excited. You see things as challenges and opportunities, and you have improved performance overall. So instead of collapsing, you catapult forward. You move forward. So remember, whenever there's a stress, the stress isn't the problem. The problem is how you respond, through distress or through eustress. Well, what I want to share with you in the next couple of days is a free webinar on dealing with stress. It's turning stress into positive, eustressful responses. And I'm going to share with you 6 essential non-negotiable principles that I've discovered over time, predominantly, by the way, from the scriptures, on how to deal with stress. I find these to be absolutely life-changing. If you want to deal with stress a eustressful way versus a distressful way, if you want to see challenges as opportunities, not as opponents in your life, then join me in this webinar. Just click below on the URL and it'll take you to the webinar sign-up page. Then you can sign up for the webinar and future opportunities to learn about the technologies and skills needed to deal with stress the eustressful way. Look forward to being with you.